Welcome to Swift Studios, and today we will create a circular wave animation which will look like this and this one. So if you compare this look very much similar, and it is similar. So first we will create this and then we will create this one. So let's close this and open your Animate and create an ActionScript 3 file. So first I want to rename this layer to center, CENTRETER. So in here I'll use circle tool and create a circle which will be the center of our web. So I'll drag this in the center of the stage and lock this layer. So create a new layer and drag this here, and in here I'll create another circle this much big, and we will delete the fill of the circle and move the circle so that the first circle lies on the center of this one. So now convert this to a symbol, click OK, and now I want to create a classic twin, and in frame 50 insert keyframe and use transform tool and drag it like this. So insert keyframe in here, and when you press Ctrl Enter you get this. So now you must have some idea how this works. Now I will copy this layer and create a new layer and paste it in here. So I'll drag this here, and the layer 3 will work as layer separator. So we'll name this separator, and I'll select the layer 2 from here to here and shift it by 10 frames. So you'll get something like this. So press Ctrl Enter and you'll get something like this, which will give you a lot of ideas how this works. Now what I want to do is just paste layer 3 times, 2 and 3, and drag all of this to the bottom. So press Ctrl Z if you make mistakes to undo that. Now drag this to the bottom. So select from here to here and move it, shift it by 20 frames. Again select from this here to here and move by 30 frames, and select the last layer and move by 40 frames. So I'll insert keyframe in there, which is the final layer of our animation, which is the final frame of our animation. And let's compare this to our animation. So you can see these both look very similar because they have been created with the same idea. Now let's make this one. So for this one, just need to open this and choose rectangle tool, and we'll choose green fill, stroke to null and green fill, and we'll create a rectangle in a new layer called sheet. So use rectangle tool and create a rectangle, cover the whole stage. Now use the line tool. For this we will choose red stroke, so choose red stroke and create a line like this, and from here to here like this create a cross, and select this and delete this. Now delete those lines, so delete, delete and delete. Now move this sheet to the center of the wave animation and carefully place it in the center, and when you press Ctrl Enter you'll get like this. Now all you have to do is choose this and change the color fill to white, and when you press Ctrl Enter you will get something like this, which is similar to our second animation from here. So you can see this and this, only a little difference. Now save this to the desktop and create a new folder called animation and press save. Now we'll create a folder and press save. So this is saved. Press Ctrl Enter and close this. So this will create a SWF file in our folder that we just created, which is this one, and you can see the SWF file. So this was for this video, and I'll see you in next video. See you next time.